passing rate. How many students graduate actually? They want to know that. Since the start of the university until today, how many students have actually graduated? But actually they also do a lot of research to find out how many actually drop out from the programs. The more drop out means that is bad. It affects the quality of services and also the academic quality. So basically my research objective here is to investigate how this learning management system can be turned into an online community. As you're all aware of Facebook, MySpace and so on, these are social networks. And these are the social networks that grow very fast. Why does the social network grow faster than the learning management system? Because the social network is free. Right? Everybody can participate. Anybody can sign up immediately. Unlike our learning management system, which is exclusive to our students only. But even though our students are provided with this kind of facilities, but many are not going in. So we have problems there. Problems, I believe some of the presenters have mentioned learners' interaction with another learner, learners with their instructors, learners with the content. Content itself, maybe there's a problem. We develop good content. Does it mean that content attracts students? Does our students actually really interact with the contents that we have developed? So we have to measure all this, right? Again, so based on my research hypothesis, I believe if we can engage the students based on 4 variables. Number 1, learner-learner interaction. Number 2, learner-instructors interaction. Number 3, learner-management staff interaction. And the 4th one is learner-content interaction. If we can measure these 4 variables and then correlate the engagement. As you can see here, I said the engagement mediated by 3 other variables. The sense of community. When students are engaged, the level of sense of community should be high. Their satisfaction should be high. Their intrinsic, I use the word intrinsic rather than motivation per se, because we are talking about intrinsic motivation. Deep from themselves, they feel motivated from inside. So these are hypothesized to have impact on the students' intention to stay in their programs, right? Okay, so my research is based on a few theories. Number 1, the suicidal theory. Suicidal theory by Durkheim. And this Durkheim's theory was actually adopted by Sperry in 1971, then later on by Tinto. So I think you have heard a lot about Tinto, and also Binns and Messner. They have come up with the academic and social interaction. But at that time, they knew that the feelings of isolation is one of the causes of attrition. But this has never been addressed, because all the while they thought the entry qualification, the economic standings of the students, the academic integration of the students that affect the reasons why the student leave. Actually, students, if you base on the suicidal theory, especially the distance learners or online learners, they are very remote from the system. They are very remote from their instructor, from the universities and so on. So whenever they encounter problems, they need to talk to somebody. If there's nobody to talk to, then they feel idle. And idle mind leads to evil mind. And that's what Durkheim is talking about in his egoistic suicidal theory. So I am also using Estin's theory of involvement, getting students engaged, involved, and also Kiersky Snyderman's 1999 theory of engagement. These two are very powerful theories that help me to develop my conceptual model, which I'm going to show after this. And as I mentioned just now, we have to measure the interaction of students. So this is based on Moore's suggestion, where he says the interaction in the online is based on the learner, instructor, and learner content. But there's another guy called Jiang, 2008. He has come up with one more additional item called the learner management staff interaction, which I think is important. When the student has problem, what kind of problem? Usually related to